There are many ways that you can perform keyword research for SEO. Out of all the most popular options, there are two that I would recommend the most for people, and that is the Google Keyword Planner here, and also the Ahrefs Keyword Tool. Now, out of all the SEO tools in existence, the Ahrefs bot has the second largest bot after the Google bot, which means that this bot has the most accurate data out of all the other SEO tools because it crawls the most pages and indexes the most links within its algorithm. So if you want a tool that gives you the most accurate data, then I wholeheartedly recommend Ahrefs as a tool. They have a 7-day trial if you have never used it before. It's only $7, and I recommend it to anybody who is just getting started within SEO. Now, as far as deciding which key phrases that you want to rank for on SEO, go with the ones that bring the most ROI for both you and or your client. Typically, these are the keywords with commercial intent, such as buy plus keyword or keyword plus review. Usually, these customers, these people will already have their credit cards or debit cards in their hand and are ready to make a purchase within the next day or so. If you are able to rank for a keyword with commercial intent, chances are high that you will be able to convert the user based on the keyword search alone. Keyword search is a measure of demand. So if a visitor is typing in, let's say, buy NutriBullet blender, that person is already looking to buy a blender that is a NutriBullet. Keywords with informational intent, like how to, blank keyword plus tips, keyword plus strategies, oftentimes leads visitors to an informational guide or piece of content editorial that teaches them how to perform a task or do something, which then usually leads them to purchase an item. Let's take, for example, a guide on how to shovel snow out of your driveway. By the time you finish reading that entire guide, it's more than likely that the author of the article has already recommended a few good shovels which you can use to shovel snow out of your driveway. So informational intent keywords are just as good as commercial intent keywords because they teach the buyer and lead the buyer to making a sale in the long run. Overall, you will want to focus on the best keywords, which are keywords that have a high search volume and low competition. If you are able to find a niche that has both of these factors covered, you will do yourself a lot of favors and you will rank faster, quicker, and make more money over the long run because you have less competition. While I can't divulge any of the secrets that I have, you can go ahead and do your best research online on places like Google Trends, Ahrefs tool, which I'm about to show you, and friends and family, and even newspapers, magazines, books, and more. Now, over here at Ahrefs, they have a Keyword Explorer tool, which has been redesigned and engineered to almost perfection. You can search from just about every search engine, from Google to YouTube to Amazon, and even the other ones such as Bing, Yahoo, Yandex, and more. For example, if we type in NutriBullet review into our Keywords Explorer, it will bring up a list of keywords which we could possibly rank for, along with their difficulty score and monthly traffic. So if we take a look at NutriBullet review, we see that there is a good, healthy 250 monthly searches for NutriBullet review, and there's only a keyword difficulty of 2. So if we go to Google and we type in NutriBullet review, we will see the list of phrases that come up and the competition that we have to rank for this specific search phrase. Now it looks like After the third or so position, there's an Amazon page, there is a Your Best Digs website, and a PC Mag website that are ranking for NutriBullet review on page 1. Now, typically, you will have more competition than that, but in this instance, for NutriBullet review in particular, you barely have any competition whatsoever. So if you wanted to build a website or a review website dedicated to reviewing a NutriBullet, you could probably do that and rank on the first page of Google quite easily. Now, if we wanted to look for other keywords, we could balance it out and simply search NutriBullet. From here, we can see more keywords that have informational intent, such as NutriBullet recipes, Magic Bullet versus NutriBullet, NutriBullet cups. These would all make great articles for people to read and to learn more about what a NutriBullet is, how it works, and how they could possibly buy one of their own or buy one for a friend or two. The imagination and marketing part is all up to you, and it is your job as an SEO and or affiliate marketer to properly introduce the idea to your customer and to sell to them in the way that is helpful so that your buyers will convert and be happy in the long run, and overall recommend your brand to their family and friends. And that's about it, guys. If you want to perform proper keyword research, look for keywords that have great commercial intent and also keywords that have informational intent. These are the keywords that will bring you the most ROI for the work that you put in on your websites. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. I'll leave some links for you guys. I'll leave a link to Ahrefs and Google Keyword Tool. Remember to hit the bell button to subscribe for more updates, and have a great day. Take care.